Hey, y'all, look at these damn clouds down here. Damn. I took a picture of y'all. One cloud was dipped down. Oh, jeez. Okay, well.
Look how low them clouds are. It's literally right there.
Yeah, they're low again. Like you said, it's not real normal for,
They're going straight across that roof line up there.
they're gonna cross what?
The roof line at that motel.
Yeah. This cloud's back over there look real bad. These over here do too. If I can get it. Damn. Wow. Oh my God. Dang. Now it's raining. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, Lord, there's something up there.
Huh?
People was on that thing with their kids.
On what thing?
Some kind of little bicycle with a basket.
Oh, heck.
Buggy thing on.
God bless them. They better go in one of these stores. All right, y'all. Y'all. Look at this water pouring out from these things. Oh, my God. Part of this down here is flooded. Oh, look at this crack. Oh, man. I hope you make it home all right. Dang. Oh, my God. Oh, look at this crack. You better get over to the left.
Oh my God.
Oh, my God. Yeah, this is deep.
We might. We're gonna have to take this window home. I might just have to wash it at home.
Oh, my God.
It's back there.
You really want to watch that shit? I want.
Yeah, but what else are we gonna do? Get out. We're getting soaked.
Oh, my God. Well, it's a little late now. That shit back there is already drenched.
Yeah, that shit's already fucked. That's what. Oh shit.
Is this flooded too?
Yep.
Yeah, no, it's flooded right in front of this container.
We're not gonna be able to take this.
No, nope. 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 Look at this. Oh, no, no. We're going to have to take it home. You're right. You're just going to have to tell her. Oh, my God. There's the fucking lightning. Sorry, guys. I'm getting off here because we've gotten struck before. Hey, y'all. I want to show you my first cucumber. Y'all, this thing is huge. Hey, I can't grow nothing but cucumbers and jalapenos. But this side, you can see it was laying on the ground. So I'm going to put it in the window and get that a little greener. But, man, I couldn't believe I was moving the leaves around. And I said, what the heck is that? And, man, that thing is heavy, and I couldn't believe it. And there's another one starting that's fat like that, too. And there's a whole bunch of, I'm going to get a bunch of cucumbers, y'all. Alright, just wanted to show you my first batch of cucumbers. My tomatoes, y'all, well, they ain't doing so hot. But my strawberries, woo, buddy, they're good too. I should put them in the ground because these things will grow all over the place. Oh yeah, that one's ready to pick. This one's right. I need to go ahead and eat that. It's not big, but the other ones were bigger. But you can see, I got more strawberries, more flowers. Yeah, they're growing. All right, now, it was the lightning. Sorry, y'all. But y'all can see them. Boy, they are good, good. I picked 2 off there the other day. Now, like I said, the tomatoes, on the other hand, they ain't doing too hot. And it could be because I've got them in that pot. Maybe I need to just take them and put them in the ground. Because it could be because I got them in these pots. I picked 2 off of this plant. But there's 2 more there. And I took them out of the sun because they was just not getting a decent size. But these aren't supposed to be little tomatoes. Not that I know of. Maybe I need to look at the tag. And then there's another one over there, but it's not doing anything, the poor thing. Yeah, tomatoes ain't so hot. And y'all, even though I didn't put these in the ground, I picked a big jalapeno off this plant. Yeah, I need to hurry up and get them in the ground now. Alright.